Hello people, how are you? Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna be teaching you how to draft basic skirt pattern. From this pattern, you can be able to make different types of skirt. Let's get started. To start, draw an horizontal line that will be your starting point as well as waistline. Once you're done with that, next is to decide the length of your skirt. I will be using 27 inches. After that, you draw another horizontal line. That will be your hemline. Next thing is to place your hip measurement. So from your waist to your hip is between 8 to 9 inches. And then draw an horizontal line. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to impute my circumference on the lines. So for the waistline, divide your waist circumference by 4 and place on the waistline plus 1 inch for that. After that, on your hip line, divide your hip circumference by 4 and place your measurement on the line. You will not need any that allowance. After that, place your hip measurement on the hemline. Because this is a basic skirt, we are not curving it yet. Once you're done with that, next is to connect the points. So from the waistline to the hip, I will connect using hip curve. And then from the hip line to the hemline, I will draw a straight line. Once you're done with that, the next thing is to create the dart. And to create the dart, you need your nipple to nipple measurement. I will place 4 inches on the waistline, and from that point I'm going to go downward by 4 inches. This is the dart length for the front. It's different for the back. Connect the points and then place ½ inch on each side. That will remove the 1 inch that was added earlier on. Connect the points. Once you're done with that, go to the end of your waistline as you can see and measure about 3/4 of an inch upward. Extend your line and then connect directly to the start of the waistline as you can see me do. Once you're done with that, the next thing is to add the seam allowance. I will be adding 1 inch. ½ inch is okay. Then on the waistline, I will add ½ an inch allowance. Connect the point. I'm going to go ahead and cut it out and use the front to cut out the back. So for the back, I have already measured out 2 inches for the zip allowance. Fold in the waistline and then trace it out. As you can see, I already traced out my front on the back. The next thing we are going to do is to create the dart. We are using same measurement, which is the nipple to nipple measurement. From that point, go down 5.5 inch and join the point. Next is to place half an inch on each side and then connect them together so as to create the dart. Once I'm done, the next thing is to create the slope for the waist. Just to mention that the waist is not straight, that's why about 1/4 inch was added, and we are going to do same thing for the back. Add 1/4 inch upward like I'm doing, and then extend the line. After that, at the start of the waist, go 1/2 inch downward and then connect. Make sure all your lines are equal. So I will extend this line. The next thing I'm going to do is to cut it out. I'm done with the back. I have also tagged the back and the front. Your fabric should be on fold when you're using this pattern to cut. That brings us to the end of the tutorial. I will be creating another video using this pattern to cut out a skirt.